Hi everyone, hope you're good. Welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you about the dual apps, or you can say the duplicate app in your Infinix G10 Pro. So if in Infinix G10 Pro, if you want to download a second app, like you have one WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, but you want to download another, I will tell you how to do it. I will show you all the steps. You just have to follow them, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe.